Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Printful to start custom product fulfillment. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Printful website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will now see the login form. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. Now, click on the login button to proceed. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Printful dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the various features. From here, you can start creating custom products for fulfillment. If you encounter any issues, revisit the login page and ensure your credentials are correct. That's it. You are now ready to start using Printful for your custom product needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.